वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन, आनी तुमी म्हणटा आसतलीं आयज मसालो दाखयता म्हणजे मसाल्याचो पावडर. येस, यू आर रायट. टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक होम मेड पाव भाजी masala powder. For that, please note down the ingredients, which is in tablespoon. So tablespoon, whichever you all have in measurement, or it's easily available in Amazon. I will share the link. So this is 4 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dry coriander seeds. आमची धनिया, सुकी धनिया or कोथमीर म्हणून येता, सुकी कोथमीर seeds. So 4 tablespoon of that. Then we need 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, 2 kulera. Then 2 of black elaichi or black cardamom, masala elaichi munta menka. So of that 2, 1 cinnamon stick which is 2 inches. These are 12 cloves, and it's like around 1 teaspoon you can say, but it is numbers, it is 12 cloves. And this is 24 of peppercorns, that is again 1 teaspoon. 6 Kashmiri red chili for the color and nice taste, and 1 tablespoon of soft, that is fennel seeds. It's totally different, okay? This is jeera and this is soft. So this is what we have to roast it, and then after cooling we have to grind this to a fine powder. Other ingredients what we need is 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is amchur. So this is like dry mango powder. So I have taken around 1 big tablespoon of dry mango powder. You can make it at home or you can get from store. And instead of kala namak, black salt, I am using normal iodized tata namak, that is 1 teaspoon. So this all we need. After grinding this, we have to mix this. So let's roast this and then grind this to a fine powder, and our pav bhaji masala powder is ready. I will show you all that. So this is now done. Now I will add this powder to this and then grind it together so it get mixed well. And here is the masala ready. So pav bhaji masala is ready. So here is our homemade pav bhaji masala powder. Try and make this recipe and enjoy your pav bhaji. Thank you. Quantity is like quarter kg, that is 250 gram what we have got from all the ingredients. So if you want to make more and keep, then you have to double the quantity what I have showed. Thank you. And here it is, our home made pav bhaji masala powder, ready to make anytime pav bhaji at home. Why buy from store when you can make it at home? But if you don't have time, then yes, you can go for it, for any company which you like. Thank you. वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. And today I am going to show you all how to make Bombay style, Goa style Pav Bhaji. Okay, it is called Pav Bhaji because we have it with pav, and bhaji is vegetable. So what we need for our Pav Bhaji is 2 tomatoes finely chopped and 2 onion finely chopped. Then we need 1 cup of floret, or this is yellowish because I have cleaned the cauliflower, and then I added hot water, turmeric powder, salt, and soaked it for 5 minutes. So anything is there, it is all gone. So this is 1 cup of cauliflower for this recipe. Then with 2 potatoes, 1 beetroot for we get nice color. Then we need 1 cup of green peas, 4 carrots I have taken, you can take less, and 2 capsicums. So this all will, you have to wash this nicely, and then don't chop it finely because we are going to pressure cook this for 4 whistle. Yes, 4 whistle, because we want it like a mashy, and then I will show you the next procedure. And for all this, the powder which we are going to use, or the masala powder, is Pav Bhaji Masala powder, or any veg masala also you can use for this. So let's wash this and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt for this. Add water 2 cups, and I will give 4 whistles. All my vegetables are boiled, and now it will go for, I will grind this to a fine paste. But if you don't want to grind it, then you can make a use masher and mash it. Quick and easy way. It's done. Now let's start our process of frying onions, tomatoes, little bit of ginger garlic paste. So 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is like 10 small gram or 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's add our curry leaves and our onion. Now I will add, this is optional, but I like to add cumin seed because it's vegetable, and a nice amount of asafoetida, though it is there in the masala powder. As there is cauliflower and other vegetables, so it's always good to add this. My husband gifted me this yesterday. This one and this one. These 2 for this year. Now as the onions are getting cooked, we will add our ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon. Now we'll add our tomatoes as the color is changed, and we will add our tomatoes also. And we'll cook this nicely till the tomatoes are soft. So we'll cover this and cook till the tomatoes are soft. Then we will add our masalas. So now we'll add our Pav Bhaji Masala to this. So I am adding, for the quantity of vegetable, around 3 tablespoons. And I am not adding any chili powder, no turmeric powder, and everything is there inside this. Salt also we have to check when we add our vegetable. So we'll cover and cook the masala along with the onion. Our masala is nicely cooked. The tomatoes, onions are also cooked. You can see the oil. So now we will add our vegetable, what we have blended in the mixer, and mix this. Mix this nicely. And here it is ready, and we can garnish this with some mutton, that is green peas, which are also cooked. Add some coriander leaves and enjoy with bread, that is pav. Check the salt if needed, add it accordingly. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही आवडटली ही पाव भाजी. करून खायात. Very very delicious. Try this recipe with homemade Pav Bhaji Masala powder, and kasuri methi will add now, and coriander leaves. So little bit of kasuri methi and little bit of coriander leaves. Little bit of butter, and it's done. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo.
And here it is, lovely pav bhaji ready with bread, and you can just put slight butter over here on the bread. And then enjoy. Thank you.